Welcome to How to Earn Money tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using ChatGPT and Twitter. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So if you have ChatGPT 4, you can click on Explore GPTs, and from here you can search for Twitter and you will find a good GPT that will help you. As you see here, its name is Ultimate X Twitter Content Creator. It will help you a lot if you have ChatGPT 4. But in this video, we're going to use the normal GPT. It's enough for now. So, if you go on Twitter and you create your own account, so this is a new account that I already made, you can see that if you go to more and go to monetization, this monetization will be hard for you if you're already starting. So what are we gonna do? We're going to ChatGPT and we'll tell him to give us the most popular categories in books. So I told ChatGPT to give me the 10 most popular book categories, and I hit enter. So as you see, ChatGPT gave me the 10 most popular books. Then I told ChatGPT to give me 5 most popular books in this category, fantasy and adventure, as you see here. So it will give me 5 of the best ones in this category, and I will get this one. So if you go to Amazon Audible, you can see that you can join as an affiliate and share books, and you can get $5 if someone joins at a free trial digital membership. So he can use their book for free and you get $5 for making the affiliate. So all you need to do is go to Amazon Audible and click on become an affiliate, and you sign in this program as you see in Amazon. Then after you sign in, you will go to Audible and see the most sellable books in Audible. As you saw before, like Game of Thrones by George R.R. Martin, we can get this book and you can try for $0. So people can try this for $0 and you will get $5 for every person who tries this book for free. So all you need to do is becoming an affiliate and you can share it on Twitter. So this website will make a specific link and will give you money for every person that clicks on it. So all you need to do is get the Audible link that you got from Amazon and then paste it here and you will get your shortened link. Then for every 1000 visits you will get up to $20. So then you will get the shortened link and you will make a post with it in Twitter about the book that you want to share. Then you will get double the money, one from the affiliate and one from the shortened link. So as you see, here's the rates depending on your country or your device. So after you shorten a link, you can get some of these videos links and add it to your post in Twitter. So this video link, you can also shorten it and you will get money for every person that clicks on this video, and the creator won't be mad too because he will get more clicks. So as you see here, ChatGPT made me a thread that you can copy and paste on Twitter, and you can add to this thread the links that you already shortened. So you can go to Twitter and then go to home, and from here you can add a thread. So all you need is to copy these tweets and paste it in Twitter like this. Then click on the plus icon and then paste the another post, and then after you paste it you can click plus again and then you can click on post all, as you see. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.